Today I will gonna show you something which I spot in Serbia, Velika, Plana, Higway. So I need only to find a satellite position. Okay, changing to satellite. I need to type the... Okay, I type the position. Where is the track? So there it is. You see, track is in weird position. Maybe it's parking, but I'm not sure. I'm only sure 20%. On the way only is left and right side of the road. No middle, only park road. So if you have idea what the driver can do, type in a comment and find me on Skype, Serbian Life 001. Read the description, and that's it, and bye.